are busy against each other. Today, there are 7 to 9 different countries out of Yugoslavia, and they are all living prosperously. India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh used to be one country. Today, there are 3 countries. And this is a call to all those who have refused to let Nigeria work, Nigeria breathe. If you don't like Igbo, let them go. You cannot hate the people, subjugate them, subdue them, and you still want them to remain in the same country with you. It's madness.
Hello, my people. Welcome to Igbo Area TV. Today, I want to speak from the heart. No sugarcoating. And we have not been sugarcoating before. We have not been pretending in this channel. Let us tell ourselves the truth in this Nigeria. The fact is that Nigeria is not working. Not because it cannot work, but because some people have decided it must not work. And sadly, the Igbo man continues to suffer inside a country that pretends to be one, but treats him like an outsider. Let me ask you a question. Why is it that when other countries decide to go their separate ways, the world understands. But when Igbos talk about freedom, peace, or justice, everybody panics. Look at the case of Yugoslavia, like the man said in that video. They were once a country, but when things were not working, they broke into 7 or even 9, like he said, even 9 different nations. And today you have countries like Croatia, you have Serbia, you have Bosnia, you have Montenegro, you have Slovenia, you have Macedonia and Kosovo. I remember, Did they die? No. Are they at war again? No. They are living their lives, minding their businesses, and building their future. Nobody forced them to stay together. Aside that, look at India. Once upon a time, India was a big country under British rule, like Nigeria was under British rule a certain time. But in 1947, they said enough is enough. Pakistan was created. Later on, Bangladesh followed. Different people, different religions, different goals. They went their separate ways and life moved on. So why can't Nigeria do the same? If Nigeria truly believes in unity, then that unity must be based on respect, justice, and fairness. You cannot keep a people inside a union where they are hated, insulted, excluded, and even killed, and still expect them to love the country. That is not unity. That is nonsense, and that is madness. Look at how the Igbos are treated in Nigeria. Go to Lagos. Igbos build houses, businesses, markets. Next thing, their shops are demolished. They are profiled. They are stopped on the road. They are searched like criminals. They are mocked for different things, including their accent. They are insulted during election as if, they are not part of the country. But they constantly rant, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. One Nigeria that does not protect Igbo, us. One Nigeria that cannot give us working support. One Nigeria that can keep our region under police and over-militarized. Go to Southeast. Every part of Southeast is checkpoint. They are telling us one Nigeria. Every part of Southeast is checkpoint. And yet, the criminals are doing their criminality as if there are no checkpoints. And it appears too that even the ones working at the checkpoints are behind those evil. What kind of unity is this? Now, let me say it clearly. If you don't like Igbos, like the man said, let them go. You can't hate us and still want to control us. You can't deny us leadership, deny us opportunities, and still expect our loyalty. You can destroy our economy and then blame us for trying to survive. What kind of relationship is this? Even colonizers left us and went back to Europe. But Abuja wants to colonize Igbos forever. We are not slaves. We are not beggars. Ndi Igbo, we are not asking for pity in Nigeria. We are asking for justice. And if that justice cannot be found in this Nigeria, then let us go in peace. This is not a call for war. And this is not a call for hate. It is a call for truth. Because no one group should be forced to remain inside a country that treats them like a curse. We are not cursed. We are gifted. Yes, you could also say, oh, they are proud people. Yes, people coming out from war and trying to survive. We are also builders. We are people of dignity. And we have the right to live free and respected, whether inside Nigeria or outside of it. My people, on the comment section, let the conversation begin. Let the silence end. Let those who have ears hear. Because one day, history will ask, when injustice was loud, who spoke the truth? And this is Igbo Area TV. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Let the world hear the truth from the East. If you don't like Igbos, let them go. Thank you for watching. I'm Azuka OJ.